Hello, my friends. I don't go to the cinema very often because I really don't like to sit still and do nothing for 1.5 or 2.5 hours. However, there's one event that I really enjoy and go to yearly now, and that is the Blue2Blue Drone Film Festival in the Avoca Beach Picture Theater. And the main reason why I like this event is because the nice folks at the picture theater allow me to hijack the projector room for a couple of minutes during the show and connect my FPV receiver system to the projector and then whoop the audience together with a couple of my friends. So this here is the projector balcony, and I have already set up my receiver system and hooked it up to the projector. And now the audience is not in the room yet, and I'm using the last couple of minutes before the show to check my system, make sure everything is on the right channel. And to do that, I'll just power up a couple of the whoops that I brought to make sure everything is working. So I turn off the configuration screen of my Clearview receiver and then power on a whoop. Yeah, nice. That shows up on the top left there. You know, it's pretty hard to see because it's dark in the cinema. Whoop number 2. And does it show up? Yes, see, screen number 2 is up. Power up whoop number 3. And then check. Yes, it turned on. What happened to number 2? Oh, seems to work. So 3 screens up. Power on whoop number 4, and does it come up? Yay, there we go. Everyone is on the right channel, so I call that a success. And yeah, I guess I'll pack it back up and then enjoy the first half of the show and then get ready to whoop the audience during the intermission. So after watching the first 9 contributions, the audience had a break, time for intermission, and time to set up the whooping session. So we brought a couple of gates to put up on the stage, and I brought a couple of transmitters and whoops. And yeah, it's time to set everything up, start flying, and entertain the people when they come back with fresh drinks ready for the second half of the show. So as you can see on the split screen, there are already 3 of my friends flying around, and on the top left we see the static. That's the output of the whoop that I'm currently holding in my hand. Now where this receiver picks up the signal, I'm putting it down, and let's get some flying in. So I'm the thing, and let's go. So Martin is just currently talking over the microphone to the audience, so let's just fly straight in his face. You want to catch it, dude? No, no, no. I'm whooping you. So yeah, the audience always likes that, flying straight into people's faces. So I forgot this guy's name, but he's recording some regular footage with his nice camera. So let's circle him and then just fly around the now already quite full audience room. So the intermission is officially over and people are coming back into the room, and we're just flying around for 2 or 3 packs, however long they let us do it, to demonstrate that you can do that kind of thing safely in a room full of people. So that was it for our live contribution to the Blue2Blue Drone Film Festival 2019. Thanks to everyone for making it happen. Thanks to Dave, Reese, and Ash for joining me to fly around the audience. And thank you for Martin to bring up another great festival this year. And thanks a lot to Luke and Norman and all the rest of the Avoca Beach Picture Theater to let us do it once again. We see you in 2020. Have an awesome day.